Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done just 15,183 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 5-spoke Y design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port, into Maps, to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and with the control pad for the MMI multimedia display. This approved used Audi Q2 S line is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.